Hello everyone, my name is Kamal and welcome to Say Social Tipping Agent, an autonomous AI consumer agent that lives on the Say blockchain and is solving a critical problem in the creators economy. Today, content creators struggle with inconsistent monetization, platform fees eating 30 to 50% of their earnings, and there's no direct connection between quality and rewards. So we have built an AI agent that automatically rewards quality content while managing its own DeFi treasury to be completely self-sustaining. So here you can see the treasury allocation for the agent. So currently it has close to 5Z and it has allocated for tipping this much and for Pekara lending this much and other DeFi protocols. And by doing so, it earns weighted APY 15.2% while also rewarding the top creators across different platforms. So it's not just Twitter, it's Twitter, Discord, LinkedIn, and you can see that this is the live activity feed where the agent is deploying the content created content tokens for the creators, and treasury it does treasury rebalancing every 24 hours. And this is like the DeFi activity like staking in the Celo protocol, and this is the stats of the agent. Here you can see the treasury allocation that the agent has done with different DeFi protocols and the amount that it has reserved for tipping. And it not only manages its DeFi treasury, but also rewards the content creators across different platforms. So it's not just Twitter, it's Twitter, Discord, LinkedIn, and it rewards based on the quality score of the creator. Here you can see the live activity feed where it tips Alice, this will say based on her creator score, and then it deploys creator tokens for making a whole creator economy around, and then it also does token treasury rebalancing and staking in DeFi protocols in order to be self-sustaining. So we already have our agent running live on chain and is tipping the creators. Let's refresh to see all of it in action. So we'll see some tipping happening. So here we saw like just a 6 seconds ago, it was a tipping happened. And as all you will refresh, you will see more actions happening on chain, F60 address, and this is the Alice address. And then the next payment was given to Bob, and who is a Discord creator. And this was the transaction with 0x16, and this was given to the Bob. And then after that, a LinkedIn creator was also given the micropayment, and then some treasury management stuff is happening where one of the user so it is allocating to a lending pool, and this is the transaction for it, and all of it is happening on chain, and you can see that 0xb. So if we refresh, we'll see some more transactions happening on different DeFi protocols like lending. We see a token, create a token getting deployed, and you can see that this token was Alice token, and it was a creator token, and this was deployed at this address, and the name of it is Alice token, and the symbol is Alice, and the initial supply is this much, and this is with the creator token Alice. Now her fans can now buy her tokens, stake for rewards, participate in the governance, and they can have a share in the creator's success. This brings Web2 influencers into Web3 seamlessly. You will also notice that some of the content creators were given 0.001 while some were given 0.2, and this is because of the fact that GPT-4 is used for content evaluation, and if the content is of higher quality, more number of tokens are given as a tip to that specific content creator. Below you can see the live activity feed, and let me show you the agent becomes sustainable. So let's say the daily tip is around zero point 0.5 say, and the DeFi yield is 0.075 say per day, which is a 15% APY from all these different DeFi protocols. So the net positive is 0.025 say per day. So the agent literally pays for itself and grows its treasury over time. After 1 year, tips given would be 182 say, the yield earned would be 210 say, so the agent would be in profit still. And we'll have more DeFi protocols integrations. So I have contributed a PR integrating Yay Finance into the Say Agent Kit. And with this, the agent would be able to supply, withdraw, borrow, and repay, and claim its rewards. And everything is done. And once it's merged, we will have Yay Finance out here, and the agent would be interacting with it to earn a higher APR. Now let's talk about the massive market opportunity that we have. So the primary use cases include content creators, where they can earn sustainable income from quality posts, and communities like DAO managed tipping pools, and brands where they can have automated influential payments, and this can reward helpful answers, tutorials inside Discord channels, and it can support quality journalism and quality content on the Say ecosystem. For example, we have other solutions like Kaito, but then the Kaito is just uses Twitter, but we are cross-platform. And this is some of the market size stats. So the total addressable market is around 250 billion of the creator economy, and our serviceable market is of digital tipping is around 15 billion, out of which we plan to have $500 million obtainable market utilizing the blockchain social payments, with our target users being early adopters of crypto native creators and mainstream users and enterprise, which are brand seeking engagement. And we have a sustainable growth engine, as you saw in the model, and these are different projection ratios. And why we win? Because we have unique differentiators. So unlike traditional or Web2 tips, which involve more time and in some cases even days, we have 400 milliseconds capability of payments, having all on chain on say. The minimum can be as low as $0.01 and to as high as $10,000 and more. And we have full AI automation, unlike other traditional methods where we have manual, and we are completely anonymous, DeFi yields, generating self-sustainable agents. And this is our path to mass adoption, where we will have MVP with Twitter integration, Discord, and LinkedIn, and the exposure to payment processing as I showed. And this is some of how we will go around month 6 to 12 with token launch, and we plan to have 1 million plus users by the end of the year. And this is Join Our Revolution. For judges, this is a live tipping demonstration, real-time dashboard access, and the code is open source. And for users, they can join our Twitter and have be a part of the revolution on Say.